Want your makeup to look super natural on your skin? Then you need to try out this makeup priming butter recipe from Simply Earth. It creates the perfect base for your DIY natural makeup. If you don't wear makeup, don't worry. This recipe works as an amazing moisturizer. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to make things out of essential oils and natural ingredients that you can use every day. And you are gonna love making this natural makeup priming butter. Turn off distractions because making is healing. Let's get started. Before I tell you what you need, I just want to make sure you know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it so easy to make your own products, which is why we have the subscription box where you can get the ingredients you need for this recipe shipped to your door. You can also find these ingredients at simplyearth.com. For this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of almond oil, a half tablespoon of beeswax, 6 drops of geranium, 6 drops of copaiba, and from your home, you will want to grab a 2-ounce jar. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of almond oil, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, a half tablespoon of beeswax. And now I'm going to melt this. You can do this in a microwave using short intervals or in a double boiler. So to my melted oil concoction, I'm going to be adding 6 drops of geranium and 6 drops of copaiba. Both of these oils are really great for skincare. They're soothing on the face and can help support bright, clear skin. So I'm going to stir the oils to make sure that they're diluted into this mixture. And now I'm done. I'm just going to pour it into a small jar like this 2-ounce jar from Simply Earth, and I'm going to let it cool, and I'll be sure to label it. This label comes right in the Simply Earth recipe box, and it has a spot where you can put the date to help you keep track of its shelf life. Since this recipe contains no water, as long as it doesn't get contaminated somehow, it will last for a year. Once your recipe has set, it'll create this balm that will melt when in contact with your skin. You can apply some to some clean fingers, or you can use a cosmetic spoon and apply it to your face to moisturize. This will create the perfect base for makeup, which is why we call it the makeup priming butter, but it also just functions as a great moisturizer as well. And you can make this too. If you want to learn the magic of turning natural ingredients into natural products you can use every day, then you need to subscribe to the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. When you make this recipe, be sure to take a picture and share it on social media with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth, and you'll automatically be entered into our hashtag #IMadeThis challenge, and you could win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. Follow for more natural recipes just like this one.